we talk about the whole orientation, let's take this as the representation of the diaphragm. I'm just going to show you to you this as the representation of the diaphragm, right? What I'll do for our understanding, I will divide the diaphragm dead in the center. So this will become the anterior and the posterior half of the diaphragm. So this will divide the diaphragm into the anterior half and into the posterior half. So you have the anterior half and the posterior half that is present, right? So when you talk about what are the various structures that you're going to look across it, or what are the various structures that can actually pass through them, right? So the posterior most structure that you can see here, I can say this is going to be the vertebra. For the sake of orientation, I'm going to depict the vertebra here. So this is the orientation of the vertebra. Let's say this is going to be your sternum, right? So your vertebra in the posterior aspect, sternum is on the anterior aspect that you have, right? So the posterior most structure that you're going to see, it is going to be slightly on the left hand side. So let's get that also into picture. So if I divide them dead in the center, which is here, we can keep this as the right side. This happens to be your left side, right? So the orientation is now clearly across here.